Guys, it's me, Khalees.
And Kavan.
They're doing it. And today we're going to be making some slime.
What
The borax is.
Sorry,
borax.
So we have two food colorings, purple and blue.
Glitter,
You have clear pink glue, and I have just regular clear glue.
Okay, so let's get started.
And then we have some borax right
Oh, let's go.
like this.
Okay,
So
guys.
first we are going to pour our glue.
You guys sit down.
Put your honey.
I need.
I like that. That's satisfying.
And now I'm just mixing the glue.
That's so.
I'm gonna mix it too.
Oh, I made a bubble. Oh, it's not doing that anymore.
Now I'm adding the food.
Oh, that's a lot.
Don't add a lot, Hannah.
I'll get mine.
No, it's not added.
Because it's very strong.
Hannah, could you add a drop of hominies?
We have sisters over here.
Look how big it is.
Should we add food coloring before we add the activator?
Yeah. I'm gonna add like a.
I'm gonna add mine after. Because it'll be satisfying. I got leftover glue.
Ooh,
I have leftover glue in mine, and I could make like
it's fine.
small slime.
Okay.
All right,
let's
now.
close that. Now I'm gonna add the food coloring. I have purple.
Sorry, let me.
I'm dabbing.
Sorry if my hands are cringy. Oh, they are cringy.
I knew there was a dab.
Stop it.
So I'm gonna add one drop of purple to make it a little bit blue.
Oh, that's a lot. Should I add? Yeah, I said I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Sorry, Dad, I'm trying to.
I wanna. Here, could you take? That's how it moves. Here, hold it while I like. Can I see the blue now? Can I see the blue now? It's hard to squeeze out.
Oh no! Look at that. Look at mine. Oh, yours is satisfying. All right, guys. Of course, like I said, I'm gonna show you that we can do that.
The blue.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay, I'm gonna add.
Honey, you need to scoot over a little.
I'm gonna add.
Wait,
you got
Here,
a
put it over
color.
this way, so I can't like.
Guys, I didn't add a lot.
She's
of
gonna
glue
add a
because
little bit of.
I'm not
Maybe
like,
let me
trying
scoot
to have
over.
it like
Why am I
all,
saying that
the
in the
whole
pollen?
thing blue.
There's some blue in it.
So like,
What are you doing?
I have some blue.
What happened to you? What's wrong with that?
Something got in it.
nails are
I'm
dark.
still trying to add the blue though.
Something got in her eye.
Blue. Like,
Can you mix
I need
it?
a little bit more because.
Can I mix it?
No.
Can I? Oh, I'm gonna add the borax.
Okay. It might not be all the way dissolved. Wait a little bit.
I'll mix it.
You know what?
Where's the
It's not
mixing
coming
thing
out.
for the
Yes.
I guess I'll do
Most of it is on my fingers. Okay, I'll just mix in that little tiny drop of
Keep
blue.
on mixing and mixing.
I guess.
And you'll make sure it's
There.
right. Like you can use
Okay,
it.
so
Yeah, did y'all see the
As long
dog?
as you
get
really
one?
I just
No.
added
See.
more.
Wait,
What
it's
you got?
working.
Can I see the blue?
Kinda.
Ooh, please look at mine.
Because
Did you hear
it's
me?
a light blue.
We need a little bit more.
Feed them dog and water.
I did
Okay.
it the other day.
It's
It's my
said she was
turn.
gonna do it. Yeah,
But
and
I
I'm
wanna
gonna do it
finish
next
making
week.
I want this glue. This is good.
I've never made this
I'm
much
gonna-
slime in my life.
Ooh, now for the
yours.
activator. Where's the
This is
activator?
deep. Daddy, look.
It's over here.
Hold on.
Don't add that
no,
much
no,
because
no.
it's strong, Kana.
Here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you some. There.
That's good.
I see the purple.
Because you know how she. Hold on, I'm gonna add a little more purple to mine.
That's pretty.
Ooh, that was a lot.
Anna, look at mine. It's like a lot. Can you mix it up?
Please look at
Honey, can you do a close up?
Oh, jeez.
I see.
guys. There's her.
I don't
And
wanna
look
poke
at
it.
mine.
I think I need some more. Where's the borax stuff?
Hannah.
Oh, yours is
Hold up.
cute light blue.
Mine is
What if it didn't work out?
Oh, her.
I would be angry.
Is it done?
Yeah.
I'd
Ooh,
rather be
that's
over.
pretty.
Ooh, I added a
Yeah,
lot.
so that's how much.
I added a lot of guys.
I have like an
You could
aesthetic purple.
Yeah, I'd
Oh,
rather
You
be
added the whole
baby.
thing of glue, please.
Yeah.
You're supposed to. Unless you want to save it for.
Yeah.
So now it's getting chunky.
I
I
like
like this color. It's yours. I'm going to add some activator. Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, Khaleesi, look at mine.
Look at her.
Look at mine.
that, sweetie. Oh. Mine's
Oh,
just
mine's
one.
already active.
Oh, look at hers.
Ooh.
I know mine's is too. It's just a
That's
little
the
bit.
baby.
Oh,
Look at
space.
that.
You want to watch mine? I'm going to go
Mine's
watch
just kind
mine.
of chunks in it.
Hold on, never
Can I
mind.
see that?
I want
see
to
that.
wash my hands so bad, but then I'll probably just
Can I
get
see
more
that?
green.
Can I see that? Yeah. You see it already.
Can I have that?
No, you can't have
Alright,
it,
guys,
but
I'm
you
gonna
can
add
use
some.
Can I
purple.
use that?
Can I see the purple?
I like this color.
Alright, guys.
I like
Probably won't be able to see it. Look at mine.
Let me see the
Look at mine.
activator.
Oh,
Very
no.
delicate. I think that was a little too much.
You made me
Can
do
you
that.
pass
Ooh, I
me the
love the color of
activator? Cameron,
Huh?
the activator.
Oh,
Alright,
sure.
guys, so close up,
Still
please.
mixing
My
my
hands
Please.
are.
Go get daddy.
Oh no, I got purple in my hands. Oh,
Look at
it's-
mine.
Connie, look. Look at it.
A little more.
Alright, let me.
Yeah.
So that's mine. It's
Look,
pretty. Sorry if my hands
Hey, I
are in the
think
way,
mine
so
is
I'm
at the
gonna
point
add
where
a
I
little
can.
Mine isn't.
Yeah, mine isn't.
Hannah, could you add some more to
Good.
mine? I could actually need some more. I don't want to add a
You
lot
look
because
good,
it's
but
yours.
You gotta need it.
Sorry, I'm getting blue on your glitter.
I don't know where to put. You already did yours, Harmony.
Anybody want glitter?
No. Yeah. Could you open that thing? I want some glitter.
Oh, can I get some glitter too? I'll open it.
Got it.
Thank
Can I get some glitter?
adding this glitter now?
Mine looks like yours. Alright, Connie, can I see? That's pretty. You want me to close up yours?
Yeah.
So she added glitter to hers. Look how pretty. It's pretty. Hannah, come on.
Okay.
Alright, and then we can do my close up next.
I already gave you some, Harmony.
Your slime is right there.
I love glitter, so I'm gonna add a lot. Alright, guys, so look at mine. Connie, can you hold this so I could mix it?
It's like activated.
Could you hold this so I can mix it? Okay,
It'll be
set
fine.
it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't. Can you like set?
Why are two hands?
What do you mean? I'm eating it with my hands.
Alright, is this still recording? Okay. Sorry.
I need. Where's the activator? Cameron, can you pass me the activator? Ooh, it's pretty. Cameron, can you pass
I
me
think
the
I think I got enough activator. I'm just getting careful.
Can you pass me the activator?
Daddy, wanna feel some?
Hold
Daddy,
on.
you wanna
Let me
feel
just
some?
pour some of this
Camera.
out.
Alright, let me put this
I'm
to the
sorry. I
side.
think I just.
And
Daddy,
a lot of.
Daddy,
Let me see, Cameron.
you wanna feel some?
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, that's massage.
I think y'all can get it.
That's not a wig, but I made it up. Honey, I made it up in a
No,
wig,
Harmony.
massaging full.
Go get Daddy.
Here. It's full of
Oh, mine's
massage.
almost done.
I think I added up too much activator.
No, it like feels overactivated, but it's still sticky.
Oh, that's pretty. It looks like those diamonds drinking now. I need some more activator.
The glitter.
Oh no. That wasn't us.
Who was it?
Khalees had it last.
No, he and I.
So it was one of you.
How you getting that?
I
I
added it. Oh, I thought you added glitter to it.
So you would have blamed it on her if she did add glitter.
I'm gonna poke it. Oh,
I'm doing like
You
a
want a little bit glitter?
my daddy's phone said I love it.
Then you're gonna
I
mix
love
it up.
that.
There. Mix it up with the spoon.
Let me mix it up. With
Mix
the
it up
spoon.
with the spoon. That.
Look at mine.
Alright, guys, so
Gotta do it like this. Gotta do it like this. Huh.
Very
you took it out.
It's very pretty.
I don't think I want to
Can somebody hand me the top to this?
Oh, but
Can you just stand there on the top to the right there, that red thing. Right
Oh,
there.
here.
Very nice. Very good. Okay, mine is almost done. It's still sticky.
Oh, look at mine.
Gotta get it right.
You know, I don't want to perfect because my hands will get very sticky. but I'm playing with this, so
That's
sticky.
so it looks like the
Dad doesn't like sticky slime, so we're gonna try to fix it. Well, but this looks like it
I
has
gotta
diamonds
like
in it,
like
so
to wear the paint.
feel like it.
Feel
We'll try to make it
And
like
then
it.
this will turn clear.
getting like that.
Did we introduce ourselves, like our names?
Pretty sure you did. Yeah, you did.
Well, if we didn't, what's up, guys? It's me, Khalees.
And Kaban.
Okay,
Yeah, I
so-
remember
Daddy,
doing
I'm
that.
They didn't say it like that. Though.
get this one.
Should I wash my hands?
Okay, my slime is done.
Mine isn't. Should I
Well,
be
almost
activated?
done. No, because you just need to knead it.
Do you need like more activated?
Okay.
Like mine is still sticky.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Mine isn't. Mine's sticky, but it's playable.
Mine's is too. That's how mine is. Ew. Oh, that hurt. I never had this much slime, so it's meaningful to me.
Yes, you did.
But oh yeah, I have. But my mom threw it away. So it's not like I'm gonna. Did you lift that back up? The wind is blowing it down. Okay, guys. So we're gonna knead it and mix it and stuff, and then we'll come back.
You maybe need to use your hand.
All right, guys. So Kavani's not here because like you already showed him us your slime. So this is how my slime turned out. It's good. I like it, but it's kind of overactivated. I like it. It's good. I added water and lotion to it. It smells nice because like the lotion is scented. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. I will be doing a video with me just playing with the slime. If you want, just comment down below if you want. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on that post notifications, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.